So you want to get better at Linux. You want to learn Linux commands. Well, you're going to need the right tool. You're going to need a Linux terminal. If you're new to Linux, the terminal can be scary. Today I'm going to show you 3 commands that make everything easier. Man, pwd, and ls. These 3 commands alone will help you understand what your system can do, where you are, and what's around you. If you haven't seen my video, I Learned Linux the Wrong, I recommend watching this one. But for now, let's get started. First, you need a terminal. Every Linux system opens it a little differently. Here's an example of Linux Mint. In simple terms, a terminal is a way to talk to your computer using text instead of clicking. You might hear it called a terminal, a shell, or a command prompt. Think of it like this. The terminal lets you talk to the shell. The shell talks to the operating system. If you talk directly to the kernel, we would need to know and speak machine code. And I barely can speak English, before coffee at least. So we use a terminal. And once you understand that, Linux becomes much less scarier. The first command is man. Man stands for manual. This shows you documentation for a command. For example, man ls. This tells you what the command does, what options it has, and how to use it. A lot of people don't realize Linux comes with built-in documentation. You don't have to guess. You don't always have to Google. You can ask your own system. You can also search through the manual pages. Man-k copy is a valid command. That shows you every command related to the word copy. Now, will you remember all this? I know I can't. That's the point. The manual is there when you forget. And if man pages don't work on your system, you can always go online and Google it. Main idea. Linux expects you to read the manual, and that's actually a good thing. Drop a comment below with a command you'd like me to explain in a future video. Next command, pwd. This tells you where you are in the system. It stands for print working directory. When you open a terminal, you are always somewhere. Maybe your home folder, maybe another directory. If you ever feel lost, type pwd. That shows you exactly your location. Why does it matter? Because when you run commands, they work on files in your current directory. A lot of errors happen simply because you're in the wrong place. So remember this. Very important. pwd equals where I am. If something doesn't work, check where you are first. Number 3, one of the most common commands, and you've heard me say it, ls. This lists files and folders. Some useful versions, ls, -l. This shows you a long listing with details. ls-a. This shows you hidden files. ls-f. This shows you file types. And you can combine them. ls minus la. Linux commands work like Lego blocks. You snap the pieces together. Where do you learn these options? Man ls. That's why these three commands work together. Man equals learn, pwd, know where you are, ls, see what's there. Once you understand that pattern, Linux becomes logical instead of mysterious. Common beginner mistakes. Here are a list of mistakes beginners make. First, not knowing where they are in the system. Use pwd. Second, guessing a command's options. Use man. Third, being afraid to experiment. You will not break Linux by typing ls, pwd, or man. Linux wants you to explore. That's how you learn. So today we covered three commands. Man, pwd, and ls. These are the foundations of everything else in Linux. Open a terminal and practice them. Next video, we'll learn more commands. And if you haven't seen my video, I Learned Linux Wrong, I recommend watching it right here. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, Linux isn't hard. It just speaks a different language. So see you next time.